Okay, so Mary and Amir, do you agree that all the living organisms in this world are made up of cell?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so can I say, Fahad, that cell is a basic unit of life?
Yes.
Okay, do you believe that if a lot of cells will come together, they will make a big thing such as human beings, animals, plants, or animals? But do you think that cell is also created by different structures?
Hmm?
Cell is also created by different tiny structures coming together. Do you believe? Can we believe that? Should I say yes or no?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. How about Amir, Mary, Ayan? Ayan, do you
Teacher,
think,
cell is a smallest unit.
yes, cell is the smallest unit, but do you think that cell is also created by other things? Or it's just alone, a hollow ball?
Wait,
Okay,
does those
Amir.
4 bases count? Or that DNA, does it count in structures?
Yes, for sure.
Yeah, then it is made out of other structures.
Excellent, excellent. Yes, I think, okay, Amir, yes, it could be different shapes also. Yes, you're right. Okay, so Aman is here. We are waiting for Lami. So remember, guys, that cell is also created from different structures. There are a lot, like trillions and millions of tiny structures, which will come together and they will make a cell. Okay, we have a specific name. We have a specific name for those structures. That is called as organelles. What is it called?
Organelles.
Organelles. So can I say that organelles is a name? It's a name of the structures with which cell is made up of. Can I say that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With which cell is made up of. Does it make sense to all of you?
Name of.
Yes. Yes.
Is made up of. Okay. Made up of. It will be really nice if you write everything which I'm writing because it's going to help you. Okay, Lamin is here. Perfect. Everyone is here. Okay.
Okay, let me note it down.
Sure. Okay, so cell is made up of a lot of tiny structures. All of those structures are called organelles, okay? And they have different shapes and different functions inside the cell. Thumbs up?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. Now, one of the structures which I told you in the last class with which cell is made up of, that is called a DNA. What is it called?
DNA.
DNA. Don't worry, we're gonna study the structures in our next unit in details, all the structures. Okay, so let's suppose if this is a cell, okay, I'm making this cell, and there is a DNA here. Okay, so this is the one structure which could be present. So can I say this is an organelle? DNA is an organelle of cell. Can I say that?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yes.
Lamin, do you agree? Mary, do you agree?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Now, then I told you that inside DNA, we have what? Ayan.
Me, teacher.
Can I?
Wait. Ayan.
Teacher, no,
Inside,
not anyone. Me only.
Teacher, can I?
Teacher, me, teacher. I'm your
first,
favorite.
Teacher,
wait,
me.
wait. First, Ayan. Ayan, what we have inside DNA?
Inside DNA.
Yes. Okay, Fahad, what we have inside DNA?
Bases.
Bases. How many bases we have, Lamin?
4.
Excellent. What are those, Aman?
Yes. At 9.
Okay.
Glutamine.
Okay.
Guanine.
Okay. Now,
Cytosine.
okay,
and
just
thyme.
wait.
Oh.
Okay, cytosine and thymine. That's great. Well, we have 4 bases. Now, my question was, okay, before I go to question, can you tell me how many numbers we have in maths? Fatima.
Unlimited. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, unlimited.
Okay, Fatima says unlimited. Lamin, how many numbers we have in maths?
Unlimited.
Unlimited?
Yes. Infinite.
Oh, okay. Okay, Ayan, how many numbers we have in maths? How many? Infinity. Okay, Aman?
Infinite.
Mary, Amir, how many numbers we have? Infinite, Amir, okay. Mary, how many numbers?
Infinity.
Are you all sure it's infinity? Like, think about it again.
When you say like this, it puts a doubt in my head, man.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm asking you, maybe I'm wrong. Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're when you're
100%.
wrong, wow.
Okay,
The best six, man.
should I lock the answers?
Yes.
Please.
And the answer is big no. We only have nine numbers in this world, and all the numbers are combination of those 9 numbers.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
In that
4,
way,
6, 7, 8, and 9. We only have 9 numbers in the world. All the other numbers are combination of them, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. If you include 0, then it will be 10 numbers. You could say that. Okay.
Yeah.
Exactly. So 1 and 2, 12. It's a combination of 1 and 2, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Amir, are you getting? Say yes or no in the chat box. Okay. Now, do you think, so we have how many numbers? Come again, guys.
10, 9,
10.
10.
Oh, 10 numbers. But guys, can you tell me how many cell phone numbers we have? Like maybe Fahad have some other number, Aman have some other, I have another number, isn't it? How many? How many do you think we have cell phone numbers, our phone numbers? How many phone numbers there are in the world?
10.
10.
No, like the real phone numbers, like let's suppose 0626589, this is one number. Then 098, this is another number. How many in the whole world?
I think this is infinity.
Okay. Fatima says it's infinity. Fahad, what do you say?
I don't know.
9.
Just give a guess.
10.
Billion.
Oh, come on. Just Thailand only have 10 people living and 10 cell phone numbers?
Billion.
Billions,
Yeah.
trillions, infinity. Amir, what do you think? Mary, what do you think? 150 plus numbers? Okay. Okay. But, okay, let's suppose I'm writing here. Let's suppose I'm your teacher. So it's teacher Zainab. And we have Fahad also. We have Fatima. We have Aman. We have Ayan. Okay. And we have Lame,
Yes.
Mary, Amir. Okay. Do you think, let's suppose if
Ye-
all of you have cell phones, you will have different numbers, isn't it?
Yes.
So there are,
Yes.
then just the small class have so many numbers. Just imagine the whole world will have trillions, millions, infinity numbers.
Yes.
Okay, let's suppose I'm writing one number here, 062698091. Okay.
Yes.
Do you think this number is combination of just this 9 numbers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you agree with me? Say yes or no. Just do you agree with me
Yes.
that all the billions and trillions of numbers in this world will be the combination of these 9 numbers?
Yes.
But
Yes,
all of
yes.
them will be different.
Yes.
Do you agree? Thumbs up for that?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
see here. Now see here. If you understand this concept, guys, why? Remember last time I asked you that why we all are different? We all, you, me, Lamin, Aman, Fatima, Amir, everyone have AGCT. But we are different because the way they combine together, same as these 9 numbers, the way they combine together in cell phone numbers, it makes trillions of combination. The way they combine in each of us make us different. Does it make sense?
Oh, yes.
Sure, all of you? Fahad,
Yeah.
does it make
Yeah.
sense? Aman, does it make sense?
Yeah.
Lamin?
Yes, sir. It makes
That-
sense.
Okay, good job. Amir? Mary?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, excellent. Okay, now see here. I'm moving on, if you got this concept. Now see here, let's suppose if this is Lamin, okay? And this is Aman, okay? Let's suppose if in Lamin's DNA, okay, the bases are like this, then in Aman's
Okay.
DNA, the base is gonna be like that. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Okay, the
Yeah.
combination will be, or maybe, let's suppose now Fahad is here. Don't think that I have become a doctor and I'm telling you all the bases. No, I'm just giving you an example, okay? Now, in Fahad's DNA, maybe it's like this.
IGCSE. Oh,
Okay.
F.
Yes. It doesn't mean that there will always be a 4. No, it could be like that also.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up for that. Should I move on?
Yes.
Okay.
Thumbs
Now, guys, now
up.
let's. Okay. Now, here is the question. Okay. Let me start. So here I told you 4 bases. Bases have an important topic in classification. Here is the thing. Do you know the word species? Any of you? What does that mean? Have you heard about this word?
The word what?
Species.
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 Yes.
I've heard.
Oh, species.
Mm-hmm.
Like different type of species of animal out there.
Okay, that's a good thing. Do you know a little bit? Okay, we will talk about
Like
it.
a group of animals.
Group of
living
animals.
things?
Okay, these are good guesses. Okay, now see here. So cell, basic unit, we have DNA, we have bases, it have different combinations. And here we go. The next topic is classification. What's written, guys? How to define classification? Can you see? What's written there?
Classification means putting things in order. It's written there.
Okay, yes, classification means putting things in order. So let's suppose, do you think that we have different orders in this world? For example, in your closet, boys and girls, your mom arrange your clothes, isn't it?
Yes.
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 Exactly. So
Yes,
she
sir.
will put jeans on one side, shoes is on one side, socks on one side. This is called classification. This is called ordering it. Can I say that?
Yes.
Sometimes your mom or if you have little siblings, they will put colors into different categories. This is also called classification. Can I say that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it make sense to all of you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So classification means putting things in order. Now remember, biologists, okay, or the scientists, they have also arranged all the animals in this world into a big order. This is called as
Plant will
classification.
be first.
Okay, this is
Plant.
called what?
Yes. Classification.
Classification. Fahad, Mary, does it make sense? Lamin, make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Now the thing is, you will ask me, you should ask me, but you're not asking me, that how could we classify organisms? Please tell me.
By like
By putting them in like groups, all.
Yes, for sure. Putting into
The
groups, this
cycle.
is
Like
called.
which animals look similar? They are in the one groups which have like similar characteristics.
Okay, that's a good guess. What do you think, Fahad? How could we put Amir? Please tell me in chat box, Mary, Lamin.
By
I forgot the name
classifying.
of it. By like the cycle of it.
Okay, by cycle. Okay, by how closely related. Ayan, any guesses?
Teacher. I forgot the name.
How,
Like the plant will be first.
just
Sweet
imagine.
grass will be then.
Okay, wait. Just imagine if you were scientist, how will you arrange the organisms, the whole organisms into different categories? Ayan, Fahad, Lamin. Just by looking at them, okay, these are similar, put them into one group, like that.
No, the animal who
No,
are
like-
herbivores means herbivorous become first.
Okay, maybe it's a good guess. Okay, now all of you keep quiet. Only Ayan will give me the answer. Yes, Ayan.
Say what?
Google is on now.
Ayan, no, it's just tell me. If you were a scientist, how will you arrange all the organisms in the world? What will be your strategy?
What will be my answer?
Ayan, quickly.
Yes, sir.
Will you just see them and see like if they're similar, you will put them into the group?
Yes, I guess.
Okay, Fahad, will you do the same thing?
Yes.
Okay, Lamin.
Yes, I'll study the body structures of them. Like
Oh, good job. Good one. Okay, listen, biologists use 3 methods. How many methods?
Three.
Three methods to classify all the organisms, to put them into the groups. What are those 3? The first one is called as morphology. What is it called?
Morphology.
Yes, it's a biological term. Maybe it's new for you, but you should remember. Morphology means studying the form and shape of the bodies. First of all, what biologists will do, they will put all the organisms in front of them and they will study their shapes of the body. How? For example, we and chimpanzee have 2 eyes, 1 nose. Do you agree?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. But whales also have 2 eyes, but their eyes doesn't match the area where our eyes are. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this is called morphology, studying the outer structure. What is morphology?
Studying the outer structure of living organism.
Excellent, excellent. This is the first method how biologists specify. Second one is anatomy. What is the word?
Anatomy. I know
Anatomy. Yes, anatomy means dissecting, seeing the inside structure of organisms. Seeing what?
Inside.
Inside structure.
Inside structure.
Inside. For example, can you see this frog here?
Yeah.
This one.
The
Okay. This one here. So
Yeah.
what we did, I dissected this frog and we can see the organs. For example, heart, lungs, stomach. Can you see?
Yes.
This
Yes.
is called that I am studying the anatomy of those things. I am studying the anatomy of what? Frog.
Frog.
So the first one, morphology, is studying outer structure. Anatomy is studying internal structure.
The internal structure.
Excellent. Amir, does it make sense to you? Please say yes or no in the chat. Okay. So do you know one thing? Like you will be like, how is it possible if organisms are related internally? Do you know that human heart is similar to frog's heart?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Yes.
No.
So just
That's
on
why
that,
they,
sir, just on that part, can I put frog and human into one category because they have similar hearts? Anatomy is similar?
No.
no.
No, because I have to see all the structures. I have to see morphology,
Yes.
also anatomy. So the 2 methods are done. The third one is DNA. What is the third one?
DNA.
Okay, can you please read the last lines by yourselves? Then I will explain you quickly.
We just learned LOL.
From 2 different organisms, the more similar the base sequence, the more closer related the organism.
In your heart, guys. So everyone could.
the heart.
yeah. I'm now noting them down. That's why.
Okay, now let me explain you so it could make sense to you. Biologists, what they will do in DNA? What they will do, that they will compare the sequences of DNA, the order of DNA of organisms, to see if they are closely related. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now come here, I will explain you. See here. Let's suppose over here there are Lamin, Fahad, Aman. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, and Aman had IGCSE. Now, do you know that most of the biologists, they put chimpanzees in the group of
Yeah.
humans?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's suppose this is chimpanzees group. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
so this is a human group. Over here, chimpanzees group. Lamin, Fahad. Okay, let me just take one example so it would not mess up. Amir, did you left the class? Amir, are you here with us?
All are present, teacher. I'm
Okay,
checking.
okay. Okay, so see here now. Now, so here Lamin, okay, AGCT. This is the DNA sequence of Lamin. Can I say that?
Yes.
Okay, let's suppose I took a chimpanzee from a forest, okay, and I saw the DNA sequence, and I saw that chimpanzee have a DNA A, G, G, T, okay, and then I went to a river, not a river, like an ocean, okay, and I caught a shark there, okay, and I saw the DNA of shark GCAT, okay, please pay attention to
Yes.
this topic, highly important, okay. Can you see, and I'm saying you, if you're a biologist, can you tell me which is the nearest species? Which is the
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee. Why do you say that?
Yes.
They are similar.
They're similar. Yeah.
Start with A and end with T.
They're second two, and the last one is similar.
Excellent job. Excellent. Why? If I say the DNA base sequence, Lamin have A first, chimpanzee have A first. Okay?
Yeah.
Lamin have G first,
Yes.
chimpanzee have G first. I'm really sorry, Lamin. Don't think that you're a chimpanzee. Okay. 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 Now Lamin have T at the end, chimpanzee also have T at the end. The only difference is what?
The G and the C there.
The
That
C.
is what makes us human and makes them chimpanzee.
Perfect
Yeah.
job. But C short. But C short. G at the first, A here. C here, G here. More differences, correct?
Yes.
Okay, now listen my words. Biologists, the third method, the DNA method, how they classify, they will see that which species have closely related DNA. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thumbs up for everyone. Any questions up till here, please ask me right now.
No.
No, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, now guys, here is the last question for you. Please answer me. Okay?
Last one.
Okay. Mhm. Can you see this one? A table showing a portion of DNA sequences shown below. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So here, this means this is Fahad. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Mary here, Ayan here. Species one means, so this is like, let's suppose shark. One is shark, second is chimpanzee, third one is something else, fourth is a frog. And here are the DNA sequences of them. You have to
Yeah.
tell me the two species which are closely related by seeing the DNA quickly, and tell me the answers in the group chat, all of you. You don't have to say the answer, you have to write the answer.
They will show
What?
Answer right now, right?
Sorry,
Say
come
what?
again?
In the chat.
Yes, in the chat. Like, let's suppose you would say species 1 and 2 are related, 2 or 4 are related, like that. Quickly. I am waiting for you guys.
I'm done.
Okay, Lama.
Like Lame.
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
Let me send to.
Oh, Lamin, are you sure? Fatima,
Yes.
Are you sure 1 and 2? Oh, Mary 1 and 3. Let's see who is correct.
Huh? How does that even match?
Fahad, Amir, we are left for you.
Wait.
Ayan.
There has to be two.
Yes, there are 2. That I can tell you. Aman. Okay, Aman changed the answer. Okay.
I am sure that I am right.
Okay, Ayan.
Yes, yeah.
Ayan, look at the power you have. Totally correct. Let's see. Mary.
Yeah.
Amir, 2
If I
and
am
4.
wrong,
Okay.
you should execute me.
Asim,
Huh?
Asim, you are here? Okay. Asim, you can also guess.
But I know I won't be wrong.
Okay, Mary.
Wait.
Mary, we are left with
I'm
you.
gonna change my.
No. I will consider the
Wait.
first answers now. Let's see.
You see, no one could copy my answer because I send you directly.
Mary. Okay, Mary done.
Yeah, can I send you
Whoever does
another
wrong,
answer,
they should
please?
be executed.
Okay, no, it's fine. Okay, guys. Okay, now see here. Most of you, first of all, Lamin said 1 and 2. Lamin, are you sure about your answer? Let's compare 1 and
Yes.
2 first.
I mean, you should execute
So please,
now.
wait, we will see one by one. Lamin, he said 1 and 2 are related. 1 is T and 2, 1, first one is A. They are not related on the
Yes,
first part.
Asim.
Okay.
Ah,
Oh, no.
Asim on drugs.
Okay. Then in
Yeah,
one
correct.
species, we have A and T. So 2 are not compared. Does it make sense? Then it is C and G. Do you think they are closely related? Already we have 3 not comparable.
No.
Okay, so
No.
it's a wrong guess, Lamin. Okay, let's come to.
See, Lamin, give me your head right now. You shall be executed.
Okay, Fahad, you didn't told me.
It's 1 and 4.
Teacher,
I
I
think
told
I
in the
was just
also
thinking for
in the
suit
chat.
form.
I told you
Oh.
I'm the most smartest in this
Teacher, I
class.
told you in the chat.
Okay, yes, Fatima,
Smart
I
thing.
got your answer. Okay, now let's compare Mary's one. First, Mary said 1 and 3.
It was mine answer.
Teacher,
1 and 3. 1 and 3. T and
Yeah.
G.
Teacher, I said 2 and 4.
Yes, okay, I agree, but I just want to make sure to compare. Okay, now 1 and 3. Can you
teacher,
guys
I
compare?
told that.
Guys, can you compare 1 and 3 first? Do you think they are closely
Yes.
related?
No.
No.
Thank you.
Now let's come to the answer which majority of you have given 2 and 4. Let's see. A and C, they are not compared here. T and T,
Yes.
same. G and G, same. C and C, same. T and T, same. So do you
T,
think they are
same.
close? They are closely related?
Yes.
Excellent
Yes.
job. Now,
Yeah.
was it easy,
No.
guys?
Yeah.
Okay, Fahad, does it make sense to you?
Yes.
Okay, and Ayan, can you